Once upon a time, in a lush, verdant forest, lived a tiny bullfinch named Benni. He was known for his vibrant plumage and melodious song, but most of all, for his bravery. One day, a heavy storm struck the forest, causing a beautiful pearl to be dislodged from its branch high above. The pearl rolled downhill, bouncing through the trees, and came to a stop near Benni's nest. Benni saw the pearl, sparkling in the rain, and felt an overwhelming desire to possess it. He thought, "This pearl would make my nest the most beautiful in the forest. I must have it." But the pearl was far too heavy for Benni to carry, so he decided to ask for help. He went to the wise old owl, who lived in a tall tree, and pleaded his case. The owl looked at Benni and said, "Benni, the pearl is beautiful, but it is not yours to take. It is a gift from the gods, meant to be shared. If you truly want it, you must earn it." Benni thought about the owl's words and decided to help the other creatures in the forest. He spent the next days offering to help, from guiding the lost squirrel to finding the hare's lost carrot. Finally, the day came when the pearl was returned to the branch where it belonged. But the gods, moved by Benni's kindness, decided to reward him. They granted him a song so enchanting, it could calm even the stormiest of hearts. Benni returned to his nest, singing his new song, and the forest was filled with a melody more beautiful than any pearl. And from that day forward, Benni understood that true wealth lies not in material possessions, but in kindness and selflessness. And so, whenever you feel the urge to possess something, remember the tale of the brave bullfinch, and strive to earn what you desire through kindness and selflessness.